Where are you? Debono. Come on here. You said you will do it, and now you have done it. Let me tell you, if you know what is good for you, go in there and undo whatever charm you have used on my daughter. Onyaluana, Okunsi.
Yeah, Okonkwo.
Eh? Omoa.
Okonkwo. Why are you barking like a dog that woke up in psychiatric hospital? Now, let me ask you, who stole your brain?
You're asking me?
Okay.
You must be mad for telling me that. Eh? After making my daughter blind, you must undo whatever charm you have used on my daughter. And you must undo it now. If not, you and I will die here and now.
I hope you know the consequences that follow this accusation in our tradition. Now, let me tell you, if your daughter has any problem, why not go out and look for a solution? Why are you shouting here, wow, 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 like a snoring drunkard?
You're telling me, eh? You made my daughter blind, and I'm telling you, you must undo that sham now. Else, this land will not contain you and I. I'm telling you the truth. It will not contain both of us.
Of course, this land will not contain the both of us. Ipeka now. This land will not contain the both of us, Okonkwo. You will vanish, and you must vanish. You must vanish, Okonkwo.
I see. You are really prepared for this. Kajad, you must swear with Ofala. I'm telling you, you must swear. You must swear. There's no hiding place for you. You can never escape this. Onyaluana, Okunsi. You want to tell me? You must swear. Nonsense. Onyaluana, Okunsi. Nonsense. Anuafia. Don't say I did not want you.
Hey.
This land will not contain two of us. Mark my word.
Look at who is threatening me to swear. Okonkwo. Hey.
You must swear. Onyaluana.
I am a Fudonte. Okonkwo. Okonkwo. Of course, this land will never and ever contain the both of us. Threatening me, the traditional prime minister of Udewewu Kingdom, Mwa. I was inside the general range.
I'm on a journey to get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want, no matter what I see.
One. Bring. Keep bringing them out. Bring them, bring.
That's the last one.
Okay. Count it. How many?
One.
How many? Okay. How many?
Two.
How many? How many?
What's the meaning of this now? Why are you throwing my ice cream away?
Okay, now what does this mean to you, you fool? Poor brat. What does this mean to you? It means your entire investment is nothing to me. It's chicken change. It's worthless. Hold on, I'll pay you. Scrap.
Just tell me, what have I done wrong to you? Why are you doing this? What is the meaning of this? First you threw my ice cream away and now you insult me, you humiliate me. For what? What have I done to you? Yes, God has blessed you, but must you intimidate others with it? Is that it? What is wrong with you? What have I done wrong?
You still have the mouth to speak English, right? You're still speaking English. You goat. Now listen to me, whatever you call yourself. This is a reminder that I have every single thing I need to get the prince back. Does that sink to you? Get out from my way, you fool. Get out from here! Fool. And if you stand in front of me, I will crush you. I'll give you to the vultures to eat. Stand there. Hey, stand there. I swear with my life, it's what I'll do to you.
No matter the weight of insult I get, no, I will not give up till I get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. No matter what I see, no matter what comes my way, I'm on a journey.
Talk like this.
What have I done?
Let justice prevail. But who will justify me?
Wait. What is...
She has been crying. Is that I got her?
Yes, this is me. Excuse me. What is going on here?
I don't know. She has been crying. You just talk to her.
Why is everyone crying? What is it?
She can't see. I'm blind.
Uchile.
I cannot see. I'm blind. I cannot see anything again. You will see. I cannot see anything again. I don't know what I'm about to deserve this. I don't know. My life, everything is just crumbled. And I'm also. My hand. Can you see me? You cannot see. You will see anything. Hey, stop crying. Stop crying.
Uchile.
You can't see.
I can't see. It happened yesterday. I came out to fetch water. And I felt this sharp pain in my eyes. And that was it. That was it. Ijele is now a blind girl. Ijele is now a blind girl. What am I going to see again?
Dada, please talk to her.
Lord, if I have sinned against you, forgive me. I need my sight back. What can I do without my eyes? What can I possibly do without my eyes? God. I'll be praying for you. God, you have abandoned me. You have forsaken me. You have forsaken me. Who did it to me?
Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings, the prince of our land.
Okonkwo.
Your Majesty.
You told me something.
Yes.
Say exactly what you told me before Kajad here.
Thank you, Your Majesty. A few days after Prince Ahana requested me to chair the negotiation with the oil company, Kajad came to my house and threatened me that he has labored all his life as the owner for that position. Just after my daughter had her meetings with the officials of the oil company, Kajad here made her blind last night. That is my complaint, my king.
Kajad, you heard him.
Your Majesty, quite right. I went to him to seek that he recommends me for the post, since he is always known to be rejecting the royal assignment. Then he scolded me, and he said that is not his business whether I get the position or not. And that was so harsh to me. Your Majesty, that was when I now told him that I've worked hard to befit that position. That was all, Your Majesty. The next I saw him was coming to my house, accusing me of making his daughter blind.
Did you make his daughter blind?
May the gods of our land strike me dead.
Your Majesty, let him swear with Ofwani, because I'm convinced, I'm sure he made my daughter blind.
You heard him swear with the gods of the land.
No.
My prince.
I am giving you 5 days. 5 days to undo what you've done. The evil that you've done. Else, you will have to swear before Fuani. 5 days.
And that is final.
Long live your majesty. Long live the prince of our land.
Long live your majesty. Long live Prince Ahana.
I'm on a journey to get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. No matter what I see, no matter what comes my way, I'm on a journey.
Oh, yeah? No. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
I got it.
Sir.
What are you doing here by this time of the night?
I came to keep watch over Ijele. Since she can no longer see, I have to watch over her against the enemies.
Okay, come inside.
No. I didn't come here to sleep. I came here to protect her.
Okay, let me get it. Which kindred in Udenewu are you from?
I'm sorry, Okonkwo, I'm not from this village.
Then where are you from?
I'm from Amekudi.
You are family.
I'm an orphan.
What relationship do you have with my daughter that warrant you not to sleep this night?
Okonkwo, I can't really say exactly what your daughter is to me. One thing I can tell you is that she's the best human I've ever come in contact with. She's the only one who believes in me, who gives me energy, who reminds me that there is hope for me.
Okay, you can come inside and sleep. My door is open for you anytime.
No, I told you earlier, I'm not here to sleep or go inside, but to watch over Ijele, to keep an eye on her against the enemies that might come through.
Good. My door is open for you anytime.
I'll keep that in mind.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you for...
Okay, as we all know, the prince is only allowed to get one bride. I mean, 6 of us cannot get married to this prince at the same time. Well, this meeting is just for, I just want to give you guys an offer. It's not like I'm scared of anything, no. I came highly recommended, and I know I have 90% chances of becoming his bride. Maybe 95 though. But I'll give you guys an offer. 300,000 naira, baby. Step down so I can be the princess. Like I said, I'm not afraid.
What?
Anybody, baby? 300,000 naira going.
Please. Did you say 300,000 naira?
Exactly.
Cash. In cash.
Anyhow you want it. Cash, check.
Honestly, I am interested. And that is the only reason I came for this contest. To get money and take care of my sick father. What else? Don't you want the money?
So you want to sell your dream of becoming a queen for just 300,000 naira?
Look at this. Uju. Please, I need the 300,000 naira.
Okay. So why is Muna not here?
Muna, she's coming. And as for me, I can't sell my love. I can't do that.
Uju.
Because of 300,000, you want to sell off your dream of becoming a queen.
Do you think
Are you done? This is why you called us for this meeting. Am I free to go now? I don't think this is...
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello, welcome. Who are you, please?
My name is Philip, Dr. Philip.
From where, please?
Well, I was sent by Prince Ahana.
Oh, Prince Ahana.
Yes, sir.
Oh, God bless Prince Ahana. You're welcome, doctor.
Thank you. So, can I see the patient?
Please just give me some seconds.
All right.
Let me bring her. Eh?
I'll be waiting.
Doctor, good day.
No, come this way.
Doctor, I heard the prince sent you.
Yes.
May God bless him.
May God
Doctor,
bless.
hope I'll be able to see you again.
Of course, that's why I'm here.
Please.
Thank you.
Okay, I will revert to Prince.
What really happened to her side?
This is only preliminary test. I will speak with the Prince for further tests to be carried out on her.
But is there any way she can regain her sight?
Doctor, will I ever see with my eyes again?
All hope is not lost. You will see again. It's a promise.
Please, doctor, do everything humanly possible for her to regain her sight. Please.
I will try. But I'm promising you that you'll be fine. Okay? So don't worry.
My regards to the prince.
All right.
Please extend our regards to the prince.
Oh, wait. I shall be on my way now.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
All right. It's okay. Take care.
Okay, bye.
All right.
God bless the prince for us. My daughter, you will regain your sight.
Father, so I'm blind.
No. You are not blind. You are not blind. You must regain your sight.
When am I going to ever use my eyes?
God has already intervened by using Prince Hannah.
I can't see anything.
You will see. Don't worry. Come, let us go inside. Stop crying. No, stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. Let's go. You will see. You will regain your sight.
I can't believe I'm blind.
You are not blind. You are not blind. You can't be blind. You can't be blind.
My prince. Oh, my prince. It's so good to see you. Actually, I came to thank you for making me a better person. My prince, you have changed my life. You have no idea. Do you know I have a charity organization now? Guess what? We are sharing 50,000 naira to 10 widows, and I am so glad. I am specially inviting you for the event. I want you to be there, being the most important person in my life right now.
Good news.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I am so honored. Thank you.
I wasn't referring to you. I was referring to Dr. Philip.
My prince, her case is not a small one. Further tests need to be conducted on her.
Whatever the cost, I want you to work so hard. Do everything within your means to restore her sight.
As my prince commands.
Doctor, wait for me inside.
All right.
Oh yes, you did that because you want our privacy. I respect you for that. Now, my prince, actually, I was actually thinking that. So, what?
Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. Behold the prince, so fearful, scary.
The fierce, the greatest, the most fierce, the most handsome, the greatest, the most delectable, the most eligible, the most brightest, in fact, the future of Udenewu Kingdom, the pride of Udenewu Kingdom, the progress of Udenewu Kingdom, the all and all of Udenewu Kingdom, the one that gathers all the gather, the prince gathers himself.
Hi, Gada.
My prince, greetings.
Oh, greetings to you. The only one who makes me happy.
My prince.
How are you?
I'm fine, my prince. I'm fine.
I see. So, where you headed?
I'm actually going to the depot so I can get some ice creams that I will sell first thing tomorrow.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
That's nice. Yes. You see, Gada, I just want to appreciate you for being a very hard-working young man. And for taking care of your kids. The sun is too much. I wouldn't want to waste your time, okay?
My prince, the most...
This is a appreciation from me, okay? Yeah. For taking care of Jilly and for being a very strong and hard-working young man. There you go.
Hey. My prince, if you are a meal, you are delicious. My prince, if you are a news, you are good news.
I got us.
Thank you, my prince.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. The greatest, the most handsome, the pride of Udenewu Kingdom.
Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. He dey mysterious, you no fit define am, whether happy or sad. The woman, if you come his way, you go dey careful, no. If no be so, you go collect woto. Behold the prince, so fearful, scary.
Greetings, my prince.
Keep your greetings to yourself, Today makes it exactly 5 days since I commanded that you undo the evil you meted on Ijele. 5 whole days and you have done nothing yet. I am personally here to tell you that you will swear before Fuani tomorrow. The blindness shall return to you. After which, I will make sure you are ostracized from this kingdom forever. You shall swear by the gods tomorrow. No. You shall swear by the gods.
Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. Behold the prince, so fearful, Scary, but fearless. He dey mysterious. You know fit define am o.
Papa, we are your family members. If you can't tell anybody the truth, at least you will tell your family the truth. I'm asking you again, Papa. Do you have a hand in Ijele's blindness? Because if you do, it will risk my chances of getting the prince. Papa, please, please, I'm begging you. Just tell us the truth. Are you responsible for this?
My husband. Yeah? You know we love our daughter so much. Whatever disagreement you have with Racheal Okonkwo, Biko, settle it. Because we don't want to ruin the chances of Ihuoma belonging to the palace. Biko, ana mayoga ayo. Oh?
I have labored over the years to attend to this position I am in this community. If there is anybody to head the negotiation of the oil company, it should be me and no one else.
Are you saying... I don't understand what you just said now. Are you insinuating that you are responsible for Ijele's blindness? Papa, you're responsible?
Mama, I don't understand you. Are you trying to say that you did it?
Eh? I warned Okonkwo, but he will not listen. Now the gods have brought their judgment upon him. And it's not too late for him to cry. And how they go no late, you know?
Papa. Okonkwo, are you sure you are not laying false accusation on Kajad?
Kajad made my daughter blind. I will swear to that.
Kajad, do you have anything to say?
Who am I, Ezemo? I don't have anything to say.
Your Majesty, you have heard from them. Both parties want the swearing to proceed. Should I proceed?
Proceed.
Ogugwe Zemo. Abwane kunda na bia. If you are innocent in the blindness of Ijele, drink from the Milana. If the gods find you guilty, you'll be struck with blindness immediately. If they find you innocent, the affliction will go to your accuser instantly.
What have you done to my eye? I can't see.
Father.
The gods have done what you asked them to do.
Father, what are you saying?
Utachi,
my prince,
take this nuisance, these people out of this palace, out of the kingdom, and announce to everyone that nobody should be found around them.
Yes, my prince.
They are hereby banished.
That judgment is final.
Otachi, I do not want to behold your presence anymore. Move. Send them out.
Move, move. Come down, let me help you. Move this way. What have you done to my eye?
Chukuna malugo na akamo di pocha. Let justice prevail. Ooh, but who will justify me? Onye kanga kosara. Who would believe me? Oh, Chimo, Chimo,
The second one.
I am innocent, yet I've become a victim.
It's the gates. Where's your leg? Where's your leg?
Akamo di wacha, elunana malugo na akamo di wacha. Stand for me, who would speak for me? Chimo, chokuna malugo na akamo di wacha.
My father is innocent. We have integrity in our family. Whoever that is doing this to us will not know peace.
And so shall it be.
Hey, God. Father, so you cannot see true. How are we going to continue? How are we going to continue? We are both blind. Father, who will take care of us?
God will see us through.
Who will take care of us?
God will see us through.
Who will take care of us? We are blind. I know someone is doing this to me. I know. Jesus. Sometimes I'll just ask myself, is there God?
There is God. Oh, there is God. God will see us through. God will see us through.
Hey, God.
Okonkwo.
Father.
Cannot see. What? God must surely vindicate us. Don't worry.
My question is when? We are both blind. When is God coming to our rescue? When is God coming to vindicate us? When is it going to happen? Who is doing this to us?
Just wait.
Hey, God.
Hey.
Father. I'm here.
Kajad knows what he has done. Ezemoma Biaku has defied the offer of the land. They conspired to disgrace me. But I assure you, even at the last drop of my life, I will swear that Kajad is responsible for our blindness. Obodoga nuokwa. The gods of our ancestors must intervene on our behalf.
Don't cry, Father. Don't cry. God is not asleep. He will answer us.
Where is Haggard?
Please help us inside.
Just hold on a second. Yeah, Daddy. Where's your leg? Just walk straight. Straight.
Is he raising it?
Yes, he's raising it.
I don't want him to fall.
He won't fall. Papa, raise your leg. Raise your leg. Raise your leg.
Hey!
Why?
Devil is a liar.
Why? Raise your leg. No.
Akamo di wacha, elunana malugo na akamo di wacha. Akamo di wacha, chokuna malugo na akamo di wacha.
My father, my father. Odogu now. The most handsome man in this village. Who don't like me lost? May they get out. Papa, God will bless you for us.
Hey! Amen. Amen. I know who I am married to. Di mama, Odogu Nwake. Afudim pa fogono give me. Hey, Nam, Odogu dim. I have never been more proud of you than today. In fact, you deserve a hug. Are you jealous?
Mama, wait first. Mama, wait. Mama, wait.
Is it your husband?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
What?
As this like this now, I did that palace. I don't sleep. I don't make my bed. I don't chop finish. Bam. I am 99% sure that I am the prince's bride.
Bam.
Say it again and again.
Again. Ha, Papa! God will bless you for us.
Nam. Ha! And for that, you deserve a victory dance.
Let me step aside.
Are you jealous?
No, I'm not jealous. Dance.
Is he your husband?
Mama, I'm watching you.
Di mama. Di mama ni de mama mbombo. Inabuya.
Oh yeah now.
Di mama ni de mama mbombo de ti bele. Na mada poena ya. Mbombo de ti bele. Mada poena. Oyo. When you marry, dance for your husband.
Dance. Continue.
I'm on a journey to get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. No matter what I see, no matter what comes my way.
Wait.
I got that.
Yes.
You're back.
Yes. But I'm here.
I want to go to the backyard and ease myself.
I'll come with you. Hey, no. Sorry. Easy. Yeah, no, understand. Easy.
Let justice prevail. Ooh, but who will justify me? Onye kamga kosara. Who would believe me? Oh, Chimo, Obi Agbawamo. I am innocent, yet I've become a victim. Obi Agbawamo.
Gently.
Akamu di kwacha, elunana malugona. Akamu di kwacha, stand for me.
I'm on a journey to get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. No matter what I see, no matter what comes my way, I'm on a journey to get what I want. Akwado luma akwado, anokwa mofuma, ready to sacrifice anything. The weight of insult I get. No. I will not give up till I get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. No matter what I see, no matter what comes my way, I'm on a journey to get what I want.
Ijele, my daughter.
Father.
If not this young man, High God, tell me, who will be there? Who is be there for us?
Haigada.
Haigada.
Food is ready.
I don't have appetite.
Oh, Jelle. You haven't eaten anything since morning. Please, you have to eat something.
Hey, Haigada, my son.
Listen.
May God bless you for all you have been doing for me and my daughter. God knows that a time like this will come. That was why He prepared a stranger like you for us before now. Else, what would we have done now that our people have already placed a ban on us? All our people have forsaken us. My son, God will bless you and continue to bless you and bless you.
God bless you too, Papa.
Thank you, my son.
Haigada.
Yes.
My father is very right. You're such an amazing, caring man. I don't even know how we can repay you for this kindness. May God bless you.
God bless you
abundantly. This is not the life I planned for myself. This is not what I wanted for myself. My mind is telling me that those oil officials did this to me.
Why would you say so?
They wanted me to aid them to steal millions of naira from the oil company. I declined. I guess they did this to retaliate.
I see. Hey, they did this to you. Oh.
In that case, I have to be on my way to the palace to discuss this with the prince.
Please, Haigada, don't go yet. I will go with you.
Me too, Seth.
No, stay behind. Let me go with you.
Let's go, because the prince needs to know that these men are evil.
Yes. Hey, you are right. Let us go together. Let's go.
The door.
No.
It's locked.
Is it locked?
No.
Lock the door.
Oh, that's true.
Please, together with the gate.
Okay.
Where are you?
I am innocent, yet I've become a victim.
The finest, the fairest, the most handsome of all, the pride of the Nollywood kingdom. Greetings, my prince.
Keep your greetings to yourself, Haigada.
My prince.
I don't need it. You defied yourself the moment you decided to stay with a cursed family. I am disappointed.
My prince, we are not cursed. I know the cause of our problem is the oil company officials.
Will you shut up? Need I remind you that you and your father are under a royal curse?
Pardon us, Your Highness. There is a solution.
Utachi! Oh, let me do it the easy way. Haigada, take both of them out of this palace before I unleash my anger on them. Now!
Haigada. I know, because we are innocent.
One step down. One step down. One step down. One step down. No.
I am innocent.
No, don't help now. Just stay where you are.
I've become a victim. Akamu di kwacha, elunana malugo na akamu di kwacha. Who stand for me? Who would speak for me? Shokuna malugo na akamu di kwacha. Akamu di kwacha. Elunana malugo na akamu di kwacha. I am innocent. Akamu di
What's
Hi.
up, Chi? Hi.
What's up?
I'm good. Sit down. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Actually, I called this meeting because not as if I'm afraid, but I just think I need to let you in the know. This is an iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's a gift for you. You can have it. Okay, actually what this means, or what this is for, is because I want you to step down. I mean, from all the girls in the competition, not as if you're you're a threat to me, because obviously you can't win. I mean, I have 99% chances, but I just don't want you to lose completely. This is the 1%, so you don't lose completely. Step down for me.
Wow. Seriously, I have heard a lot about iPhone. And I have always desired to have one. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
But come to think of it, how sure am I that you won't take it back from me?
Sweetheart, I am bigger than this. I mean, the receipt is in there. You can check it. It's not a problem. If you even want another phone, I'll get you a phone.
Oh my word! iPhone 13 Pro Max, truly. Thank you, thank you.
You are welcome.
I am now an iPhone owner. Thank you
You're
once
welcome.
again. Thank you. I accept. Right now, I am stepping down already.
That's good. That's fine. Thank you so much. Any other thing you want, just let me know. I'll give it to you.
Okay. So the receipt, everything is inside.
It's there.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Why is it crossing me this village? Why is it crossing? What did I do wrong? What did I do? Uncle, because save me. Uncle, save me because she wants to kill me.
Please,
save me.
Please, it's okay. You see this girl? This stupid girl.
Please. She has
God
wronged
has
me.
put her in the position of the last 6 maidens standing.
Yeah.
And she decided to step down for her rival just because of an iPhone. What is an iPhone compared to Prince Hannah?
Did you do a thing like that? Oh God, don't mind my mother. I was only trying to explain to her that it was just a plan, a mere plan. But she didn't let me land. She just too fast.
Wonderful. A plan to do what?
Oh God, you won't believe it. Iwoma is busy bribing all the maidens at the palace for them to step down for her. So we decided to accept her offer and then betray her on the final day.
Wonderful. Very wonderful idea.
What if she decides to use that against you people on the last day?
Mother, I know Prince Hannah very well. He hates bribery and corruption.
Another wonderful idea.
Prince Hannah hates bribery and corruption. You know that. And yet you are accepting bribe. If Prince Hannah finds out, he's going to sack all of you.
Another wonderful idea.
Mother, Prince Hannah will be happy that we taught her a lesson. A very big one at that.
Very, very wonderful idea.
Because me that you're seeing here, I wouldn't want to lose that golden opportunity.
Another wonderful idea.
Which one is wonderful idea? Wonderful. Where exactly do you stand?
Your idea is wonderful. Surumchi's idea is wonderful. The iPhone is wonderful. Prince Hannah is wonderful. It's not late for you both to choose the wonderful that is more wonderful and go for that wonderful.
Okwage.
Which one is my own again?
Igwe. He was sneaking them out like a thief. When I caught him, he started begging. I am sure he was going to use them for money ritual.
Your Majesty, that's not true. That's not true. My prince, that's not true. I was just taking them out for treatment, that's all.
Yes.
Will you shut up?
No, he was just helping us.
I am not talking to you. Aigada. First, you defied yourself when you decided to stay with a man that has been ostracized from this kingdom. And now you're taking a step further. Take advantage of the blindness. Without